Grandma, CJ, and Sierra playing in the waves. Comes the big one. Try, move over. Move over. Oh.
Little Gama?
What?
Little Gama?
Yeah, she's going on that Gama. Burying my leg. Sebastian,
My feet go.
are you muddy? Are you sandy?
Mommy, cheese, cheese. This right here.
Some water. Water, we're gonna have to get out there. What is Grandma doing? Dirty. Comes some water finally. Maybe the dolphins will come back. You want to see the dolphins?
Yeah.
Maybe they'll swim back. Here comes the water.
I like that.
Where are you going?
Get my dad.
Huh? Wait for Mommy. Sit down, Sierra, they're moving. Their mother. Sit still, Sierra.
Get it, no leave. There's a chip on the blanket. Throw it out there.
It's okay, Sebastian.
Oh, look at the little fish.
You don't fit in. Oh God. Oh God. My toes are not chipped, by the way. Hey, get off our stuff. Go away. Okay, we have the whole beach as freaking birds. Oh. Get off our surfboard! Mother, what are you doing?
Listen to him. CJ, no. Let him eat it. Throw it out there. Throw it out there.
I want to feed him one.
Sit down, Sierra. Sit down, Sierra.
Sebastian wants some before you decide to eat them all. Was that in the sand?
Yeah.
He wants to eat it.
Oh.
You hungry?
Throw it to the
It has sand all over him.
Throw it to the bird. CJ, it may come up to you for it.
Huh?
Hold your hand out. They may come and get it. Drop it on the ground there.
Oh God, Mom. He's about to get us. Go away.
Looking for a crumb.
Go away. That's not on our blanket. Go away. Go away. That's sand. Sand. Mother, they'll push you to death.
There's a whole bunch of crumbs and they're leading right to your mouth.
What? Thanks, Boo. It's okay. Got my toes.
I got tip. I got tip.
Look at the birds.
Bobby,
You're invading our beach area.